Every space tells a story. At Belentino, we believe design is not just about how something looks, it is about how it makes you feel. How it works for you every single day. This is our design story. Our approach starts with a simple idea. Design should be woven into the fabric of a project from the very first conversation, not added as an afterthought once the builders have gone home. That means your architect, your interior designer, your structural engineer, even your landscaper, all working together from day one. One team. One vision. One beautifully coordinated outcome. Interior design at Belentino covers every room, every surface, every detail. We start with your brief, your daily routines, how you actually live in your home. Then we develop concept directions, mood boards, material palettes, spatial layouts. Kitchens designed before a single wall goes up. Bathrooms planned from the drain upwards. Lighting circuits that reflect your final furniture positions. Living spaces where period character and modern comfort sit perfectly together. 12 areas of expertise, from space planning to bespoke joinery, all the way through to final styling. Let us walk you through what this actually looks like in practice. A kitchen where every appliance, every worktop, every drawer is specified and coordinated with the build program. A bathroom where tile layouts, sanitary ware, and waterproofing all align from the outset. A bedroom where wardrobe design, ambient lighting, and ensuite coordination create a calm, functional retreat. An open-plan living spaces where the flow between cooking, dining, and relaxing feels completely natural. Our REBA-chartered architects bring deep residential expertise to every project. From initial feasibility and planning applications through to detailed construction drawings and building control sign-off. Over 100 planning applications submitted, with a 98% approval rate. We specialize in conservation areas, listed buildings, and the particular challenges of London residential architecture. Extensions, loft conversions, basement digs, and complete new build schemes. Furnishing is where a house truly becomes a home. We hold trade accounts with over 200 UK and European suppliers, giving you access to pricing and ranges you simply cannot find on the high street. 8 curated style directions, from contemporary London to Art Deco and Japandi, with budget tiers from essential through to full luxury. Bespoke commissions for fitted wardrobes, dining tables, headboards, anything you can imagine. We handle sourcing, procurement, delivery coordination, assembly, and final placement. The exterior of your property is just as important as the interior. Our landscaping team delivers high-end garden design, patio installations, and outdoor living spaces that extend your home into the landscape. Bespoke planting schemes, hardscaping, decking, pergolas, and garden buildings. Environmentally conscious design that works in harmony with the natural setting. Every outdoor space thoughtfully connected back to the interior. Smart home technology at Belentino is intelligence built in, not bolted on. We design automation systems during the architectural phase so all cabling, network infrastructure, and control points are built into the fabric of the building from day one. Scene-based lighting that wakes you gently in the morning. Multi-room audio that follows you through the house. Automated blinds, climate zones, security systems, and enterprise-grade Wi-Fi coverage with absolutely no dead spots. Control for Crestron, Lutron, Sonos, all programmed to work as one seamless experience. Every project follows our 4-stage design process. Brief and lifestyle analysis, where we understand how you actually live. Concept and space planning, with mood boards, layouts, and indicative costings. Detailed design and specification, producing full packages ready for construction. And finally, procurement, installation, and styling, where everything comes together beautifully. The real magic is in the transformation. Seeing a tired kitchen become a light-filled family space. Watching a dated bathroom become a sanctuary. A garden that was once neglected, now a place you genuinely want to spend time in. That is what our design team delivers every single time. 20 years of experience. 90 renovations completed. 45 extensions delivered. 12 specialist design disciplines under one roof. 200 trade suppliers. A 98% planning approval rate. These are not just numbers. They represent homes transformed, lives improved, and clients who trust us to get every detail right. If you are considering a renovation, an extension, or a complete design transformation, we would love to hear from you. Visit Belentino.com to explore our full range of design services, download our guides, and book a free consultation. Belentino. Beauty with intent. Value by design.